Hi, this is Joydeep Buthello from Conventus Technology. I handle post sales and I am a senior post sale engineer in this particular organization. Today, what I'm going to talk about is about the Wi-Fi. Now, what are the requirements that SMB clients require? They require a cheaper solution for the Wi-Fi. The Wi-Fi that can connect up to 5 to 6 APs, the Wi-Fi that requires mobility across the offices, the Wi-Fi that requires new technologies of like wave 1 and wave 2. Now what is all this about? The answer for these questions are Cisco and 1830. This modules come with inbuilt wave technology. The other good point of this module is that this comes with an inbuilt WLC. So when we look at 1832, right, this is a wave 1 technology and 1852 is a wave 2 technology. These are the both enhanced technologies that can provide higher bandwidth for and even mobility across 25 APs. One single AP box with a controller can support up to 25 APs. Now this is one of the box that we have in here. It has the AP with it. So if you look at this AP, it has a built-in controller with it. And in this built-in controller, if you look at the very close look at the connectivity that we have a power connections, we have a PoE, the aux, we have USB and the console. Okay, so I've already unboxed the AP for you, and for my demonstration I've connected it to a PoE, and here we have the AP connected. And now this is a AP with a controller module already installed in it. Now how do I get connected to it? It just takes a couple of minutes or up to 10 minutes to set the entire network into AP with this particular WLC. So let me show you. Right, the moment I connect it, I go to my Wi-Fi session. I have Cisco Air Provisioning over here. I click on Air Provision and I say connect. Now it asks for my, if it asks for my password, I have to give the password as the password with all small letters. And once I have done this, I get into the default IP of this AP, that is 192.168.1.1, and I come to the default configuration screen. That is, this is my wizard for 1850 series Mobility Express, and here I have to start with my admin account. So I give my admin accounts like Conventus admin, and I create the password. I give a very simple password. So I have a mixed password that I provide here. Okay, and after giving the mixed password, I get the wizard screen here, setting up your controller. Here I give the controller name. I just write it as AP WLC, so that's what the name I give to it. The country is India. The time period, the time zone, NTP if I have it, and then I can provide the management IP to manage this particular AP with the subnet mask and the default gateway. I say next here. Okay, management IP and default gateway cannot be same, so I change it. So I say next over here. And now if you look at the SSIDs that I can create here, I have two SSID, the employee SSID and the network guest SSID. So I provide the employee SSID as Conventus users. I keep the security as a basic one, providing a unique password for it. Again, the mixed password is always having a good strength of it. I can provide the management VLAN. I'll keep it as default currently. I can go for a guest network over here, and a guest network I can give the name as Conventus guest. I can have a web console login for it, and since I have not created any VLANs for this basic setup, I'll keep the employee VLAN as the basic VLAN for it. I click next over here, and I can define the RF parameters over here. Now these are the two things that it supports for data traffic and for voice and data traffic. So I'll keep the default data traffic as the default currently, and I say next. Now once I have next, it will summarize whatever configurations has been done. Like we have configured the username, we have configured the system name, the admin name, and so on, and then the two SSIDs that we have created with the error parameters. After this, we just have to say apply, and this will apply. So this is a small demonstration that I have done for this AP. Once this AP has been set, we can always have the other APs like 1700, 2700, 3600, 3700. All these APs can come together, and it can have a mix and match APs as per the requirement of the organization. That's all from my side. Thank you very much.